In many industries, we are told that to gain ground, you have to take it. But here, we've learned a different truth. To gain, we first have to give. We give our focus when the day feels too long. We give our patience when the plans don't align. And most importantly, we give our strength to the woman standing next to us when hers is running thin.
My name is Ikmat Ajosa Adugun, lead project architect for Homework Group Africa. For me, being a woman in today's world means that you're boundless. You're free to be whatever you choose to be and achieve absolutely whatever you choose to achieve. Women are a symbol of love, courage, and strength. So yes, you can be exactly whoever and whatever you choose to be.
My name is Precious Ndumaya. I'm the executive assistant to the group managing director. Being a woman in today's world, in this 21st century, is having the power of choice. Women have now found themselves at a place where they are able to make choices regarding motherhood, choices regarding career, choices regarding their bodies, and everything that has to do with being a human being, so to speak. In this day and age, we have women who are doing things never done before. Being a woman for me means having the power of choice, having the power to either decide I want to do this or I don't want to do this without any untoward or outward pushing or forcing. That is what being a woman in today's world means for me.
My name is Victoria Ben. I am an account officer here in Homework Group. Being a woman
rational in their decision making, or they usually act on emotions. Well, all through my career as an HR professional, I have seen cases where women are more organized. They seem to perform well in leadership strategic positions. Another will be thinking because women get pregnant and then they won't have the time that is required to carry out their job effectively. Yes, pregnancy is something you can't take away from a woman. That's why we are women, we bring in life to the world. But then still, it does not take their abilities as professionals.
Hello, my name is Adeshowa Greg Igodaro. I'm the Group Chief Operating Officer at Homework Group Africa. Speaking to debunking stereotypes for women in the workplace, I think that the one thing for me is that women need to begin to walk in the reality and the consciousness of the fact that they are stronger than they think. You know, sometimes when we hear stuff like, I am a woman working in a male-dominated industry, I'm not usually sure that that's a good way to begin to describe yourself as a woman doing really great things, because every woman is strong. You have so much to give. You have capacity to birth and to build. And so as we celebrate this season, it is my hope that women will begin to see themselves as strong, as they truly are in their innate nature.
Happy International Women's Day from all of us at Homework Group Africa.